Facebook has spent more than a decade apologizing for its actions and pledging its commitment to people's privacy. However, when it comes to concrete actions that will fix these transgressions, they demonstrate disregard.
The BC Privacy Commissioner and his federal counterpart say they've given up on Facebook making changes on its own. Canada's laws just don't seem to worry the social media giant, they say, and it has no real incentive to obey them.
The current law says that all I can actually do is recommend to Facebook that they change their ways, and they have disagreed to do that.
Facebook says it's been negotiating in good faith and was ready to make changes. We've proactively taken important steps towards tackling a number of issues raised in the report, which includes offering to enter into a compliance agreement. But Terrien says Facebook has a poor history when it comes to respecting such agreements. This week, the company set aside up to $4 billion to cover fines it expects to be levied by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission for violating a previous promise to safeguard its users' privacy. A loss in a Canadian court won't cost anything close to that.
Historically, penalties imposed by the federal court have been quite minimal. Nowhere near the amounts that we've been talking about in the U.S. or the EU. It's in the tens of thousands of dollars.
The privacy commissioners say for things to really change, Canada's laws need teeth that are currently missing. The Trudeau government says it agrees.
So I think where we are right now as a government is that we understand that the time of self-regulation is coming to an end.
Changes are coming, says Gould, although no details on exactly what they'll be. In any event, they're unlikely to become law in time for the next federal election. Evan Dyer, CBC News, Ottawa.